Today I'll show you how to join a meeting that's been scheduled through Calendly. This will be a quick walkthrough that you can follow step by step, whether you're on your computer or a mobile device. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and what to click so you can get into your meeting on time without any confusion. First, you'll want to open your calendar or your email inbox, depending on where you usually check your events. This could be your Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, or whichever calendar app you use, or it could simply be your email account where you receive meeting confirmations. If you're on a phone or tablet, open the calendar or mail app. If you're on a computer, go to your browser and sign into your email or calendar as you normally would. Next, you're going to look for the invitation or confirmation that was sent by Calendly. When someone schedules a meeting with you through Calendly, it typically sends two things, an email confirmation and a calendar event. You can use either one. If you're in your email, look for a subject line that mentions the meeting or Calendly. If you're in your calendar, look for the event at the correct date and time of your meeting. It may include the name of the person you're meeting with or the title they chose when booking the time. Once you've found the invitation or event, click or tap to open the full details. You don't want to just glance at the calendar preview. Make sure you actually open the event so you can see everything inside it. In the expanded view, you'll see information like the date, time, and sometimes a description or agenda. What you're really looking for here is the location field. In Calendly invitations, the meeting link is usually placed in the location area or clearly labeled somewhere near the top of the description. The location might show something like a video conference platform or a direct link. Take a moment to read carefully so you don't miss it. If the event includes a lot of text, scroll through until you see a clickable link or a field labeled location or something similar. Once you've found the meeting link, all you need to do is click or tap it. This will open the meeting in your browser or in the dedicated app for that platform, depending on how your device is set up. If your browser asks for permission to open an external app, such as a video conferencing tool, go ahead and allow it. Give it a few seconds to load, and you should be taken directly into the meeting or into a waiting room if the host has one enabled. It's a good idea to do all of this a few minutes before the scheduled start time, just in case your device needs to update or you're prompted to sign in to the meeting platform. That way you're not rushed, and you can check that your microphone and camera are working properly before the call begins. And that's all there is to it. Open your calendar or email, find the Calendly invitation, open the event details, locate the location field, and click the meeting link to join. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a very quick and simple process.